How do you copy the Facebook link or URL on a PC, guys? Let's go. I'll show you how. Starting with the link to your profile. The first thing is to click on your profile picture. Go ahead and click. You'll go to your personal page, and here on your personal page, you'll see the link up here. To copy it, just click with the left mouse button. Click, it will select the link, and then after selecting, you have two options. Either you press Ctrl+C. By pressing Ctrl+C, it will copy. I've already copied it here with Ctrl+C, or if you prefer, you can right-click on it after selecting and then click here to copy. Copied. If I open another page here now, I also have two options. Either I click here and press Ctrl+V, it will paste here, there, it's pasted. I'll hit enter and that's it, I've come here to my profile. So if you want to copy the URL, the link to your Facebook profile, that's how you do it. If you want to copy a post, for example, if I want to copy this post here, I can simply click on the time of the post. You can click on the time, the post will open, then you come up here and copy the URL as I showed you. You can click to select, click, and then click on copy. If I come here now to another page, I can simply right-click, click on paste, it will be pasted, and then just press enter and that post will open. So that's how you copy the Facebook link or URL on your PC, alright? I hope I helped. If I did, help me out too and subscribe to the channel.